Are you tired of being called a half-man again and again? People say a dwarf is weak because of his size. They laugh, thinking you'll always stay small. But they're completely wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you the only 6 exercises you need to help you grow taller, improve your posture, and break free from the limits others try to put on you. Let's start. Number 1. The bar hanging. Let's start with the simple one, the hanging dot. It is science-proof exercise to maximize your height. What happens? Let's know. When you hang from a bar, you are pulling downward by gravity. The intervertebral discs between your spine's vertebrae act like shock absorbers. Gravity slowly compresses them, and thus creates space between vertebrates. That's make your possibly slight taller. It also starches your back muscles. Now, how to do it? Follow me. Find a strong, stable bar, high enough so your feet won't touch the ground when you hang. Stand under the bar and grip it with both hands, shoulder width apart, palms facing away from you. Slowly lift your feet off the ground and let your body hang freely. Keep your body straight. Relax your shoulders and avoid swinging or bending your knees. Hold the hanging position for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe normally and allow gravity to gently stretch your spine. After finishing, gently drop down and rest. Repeat this for 2 to 3 sets daily for the best results. Now it's time for the second exercise. Number 2. The side stretching. What happens when you do side stretching? Firstly, you are actually lengthening the spinal column and obliques, which results in loss in tight muscles and reduce spinal compression. Secondly, dynamic side stretching improves blood flow, which can stimulate growth hormones, muscle relaxation, and spinal flexibility. Here is how to do it. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise both arms straight up above your head and bring your palms together. Slowly bend your upper body to the right side. Keep your legs straight and don't twist your hips. Feel the stretch along the left side of your waist and ribs. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds. Come back to the center slowly. Now bend to the left side and hold again for 15 to 20 seconds. Repeat the stretch on both sides 2 to 3 times. Breathe deeply and keep your back and legs straight. Number 3. The palm tree pose. It is a yoga posture, and the name, the palm tree pose, is entitled because your body stretches upward like a tall tree, especially like a palm tree reaching for the sky. It completely stretches out and straightens your spinal cord and also stimulates the growth hormones responsible for height. Let's do it. Stand straight with your feet a few inches apart. Bring your hands out in front of you. Interlock your fingers and turn your wrists outwards. Inhale and bring your arms up above your head. Raise your heels off the ground, balancing on your toes. Remain in this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Now exhale and lower your heels back to the ground. And lastly, unlock your fingers and lower them back to your sides. Number 4. The alternate leg kicking. Have you ever imagined that kicking could be a way to increase height? Here's the truth. Alternate leg kicking can significantly contribute to height gain. When you kick with each leg, your hamstrings, hip flexors, and lower back muscles are continuously stretched. The more you stretch, the more you grow. And when your body feels this intense movement again and again, it reacts. It releases growth hormone, increases circulation, and helps you push your natural height potential. Now to do it, stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and arms relaxed or in front of your chest for balance. Shift your weight onto your left leg and lift your right knee up to waist level. Extend your right leg forward in a controlled kick, then bring it back down. Now shift your weight onto your right leg. Lift your left knee, kick forward with control, and place your foot back on the ground. Continue alternating kicks, right leg, then left leg, keeping a steady rhythm. Focus on stretching your muscles during each kick and avoid rushing. Keep your back straight, engage your core for stability, and breathe naturally throughout the exercise. Repeat for 10 to 20 kicks per leg. Number 5. The jump squat. Jump squats are more than just a leg workout. They actually help your body create the right environment for growth. When you perform a jump squat, your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves all stretch and contract with explosive power. This continuous stretching and jumping puts pressure on your lower body muscles and spine, which helps improve posture and body alignment. At the same time, jump squats boost blood circulation and increase the release of growth hormones, especially when done regularly with proper form. To do it, stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Bend your knees and lower your body into a squat position, as if you're about to sit on a chair. Make sure your back stays straight and your knees don't go beyond your toes. From the bottom of the squat, push through your heels and jump straight up as high as you can. Swing your arms upward to help you lift off the ground. As you land, bend your knees slightly and go straight back into the squat position to absorb the impact smoothly. Repeat the movement in a steady rhythm. Squat down, jump up, land softly, and go again. Start with 10 to 15 reps and increase as you get stronger. Number 6. The dry land swimmer stretching. Have you ever seen someone swimming without water? Sounds crazy, right? This is what the dry land swimmer stretching provides. What happens when you do it? It builds strength in your lower back, glutes, shoulders, and core. Stronger posture muscles help you stand straighter and look naturally taller. Also, when you are lifting your opposite limbs, you unlock stiff joints and tight muscles. More flexibility allows your body to extend fully, revealing your true height. Let's get into position. Lie down flat on your stomach, arms stretched forward, legs fully extended. Now tighten your core. No loose body here. We stay controlled. Lift your right arm and left leg just a few inches off the floor. Hold it. Feel that tension in your lower back? Good. Now lower slowly. Switch sides, left arm, right leg up. Hold again. Stay steady. Keep alternating like this. 12 reps each side. Let's go for 2 rounds. No slacking. All right now, if you're serious about breaking your limits and growing beyond what others expect, then don't stop here. Hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated with powerful routines, and drop a comment telling me which exercise hit you the hardest.